Today we take next example from the exercise 1.5. Yesterday we solved first example. See the second example. What we have to do in this question? We have to find the symbolic form for the given switching circuits. Then we have to find its input-output table, that is truth table. We have to already discuss the procedure. See, let switch S1 we denote it by P, switch S2 denote it by Q. How we write it? P stands for the switch S1 is closed, Q stands for the switch S2 is closed. We have to take its negation of P. The switch S1 dash is closed, that is its complement. If the switch is on, its complement is switch is off. Negation of Q, the switch S2 dash is closed and L stands for lamp L is on. We have to write this in every problem. Now we have to write symbolic form for this switching circuit. What we have to do first? We have to separate parallel series. Here S1, S2 dash, two switches are in series combination. So we separate it first. Again these two switches S1 dash, S2 are in series combination, and these two switches, or we can say these two circuits connected in parallel combination. See, now we write symbolic form for this series combination. S1, for S1 we write P. For S2 dash we write negation Q. These two switches are in series combination, so we write AND, P and negation Q. Now come to the next circuit. S1 dash and S2, because they are in series combination, so we write for S1 dash we write negation P. For S2 we write simply Q. They are in series combination, so we write AND. Now these two circuits are in parallel combination, so we write OR between them. Therefore symbolic form for the given switching circuit is this. Now this symbolic form can be written also in this form. Second bracket in first position, first bracket in second position, because in switching circuits in parallel combination, see diagram, P and Q, we can interchange their position, we get the same output. So you can write this bracket in first position or this first bracket in second position. That means if we interchange the switch P or Q, which is equivalent with Q or P, which we already discussed in the algebra of statements. So you can prepare truth table for any one of these. You prepare truth table for this. How to prepare truth table? Here total number of statements are 2. So we have to take 4 truth values. So we write T T F F, or we write in the form of 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Now we have to take the negation of P, that is 0 0 1 1. Negation of Q 0 1 0 1. Now apply the rule for conjunctions. Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Here we have to apply rule for series combination, that is for conjunction. In conjunction both the switch are closed, then only its output get 1, otherwise 0. Here 1 1, so we get here 1, otherwise it's 0. P and negation Q. P and negation Q for these two columns. Here both the switch are closed. Here we get result 1, otherwise 0. Both switches are not closed, so we get 0. Both switches are not closed, so we get result 0. Both switches are not closed, we get 0. Now we have to take these junctions, that is these two switches are in parallel combination, so we have to apply rule for parallel combination. In parallel combination, if both the switches are open, then only its output is 0. Both switches are open, therefore its output is 0. Both switches are open, therefore its output is 0. Both switches are not open, therefore its result is 1. This is truth table or input output table for the given switching circuit. Now see the example number 3. Now we separate one by one circuits. First we separate this circuit because these two switches are in series combination. So we write symbolic form for this circuit. You write yourself statement P, Q and R, because here total number of switches are 3, S1, S2, S3. So write P, Q, R, negation P, negation Q, negation R. I directly write symbolic form for the given switching circuit. S2 dash means negation of Q, S3 dash means negation of R. These two switches are in series combination, so we write, and these two switches, that means this circuit parallel with this circuit, so we write symbolic form for this upper circuit. S1 is in series combination with this circuit. If I disconnect this, we get parallel combination for these two switches, S2 dash, S3. I write it first. S2 dash, that means negation of Q in parallel combination with S3. S3 represented by R. Parallel combination means R. Now this circuit is in series combination with S1. That means for S1 we write P, in series combination we write AND. This is symbolic form for this total circuit. Now we connect these circuits with this circuit, which is in parallel combination, so we write here between them as OR. So this is the symbolic form for the given switching circuit. We have to prepare truth table for it. Now see the truth table for the symbolic form. We have to write a truth table for this. First we see number of statements P, Q, R. Negation here. We have required negation of Q, negation of R. We write here negation of P. There is no need to write negation of P. Now see how to prepare truth table. Total number of statements are 3. So we write PQR. In PQR we have to take 8 truth values. You know the procedure how to take the entries. Now first we make negation of Q. 1 1, so we write 0 0 0 0. We write 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. In this way we make the negation of column Q. Similarly make the negation of column R. 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we write a 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now we have to take conjunction between negation Q and negation R. We know rule for conjunction. If both the statements are of value 1, then we get result 1, otherwise 0. So see only in which column both the entries are 1. Here both the entries are 1, both the entries are 1. So we write here 1. In remaining there is only 1 or both 0. So we write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You use this shortcut or as you convenient prepare the truth table by using the row. Now see the second column, negation Q or R. Negation Q or R, that means we have to take relation between R and negation Q. Here is disjunction. So for disjunction, if both the entries are 0, then only its result is 0, otherwise 1. See, here both the entries are not 0, so 1. Both the entries are 0, so we write 0. Both the entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both the entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both the entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both the entries are 0, so we write 0. Both the entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both the entries are not 0, so we write 1. These are the entries for the negation Q or R. Now we have to take conjunction with a statement P. So we have to consider this P and negation Q or R. We have to take conjunction. For conjunction, if both the entries are 1, then its result is 1, otherwise 0. So we write here both the entries are 1, so we write 1. Both the entries are not 1, so we write 0. Both the entries are 1, so we write 1. Both the entries are 1, so we write 1. Both the entries are not 1, so we write 0. Both the entries are not 1, so we write 0. Both the entries are not 1, so we write 0. Both the entries are not 1, so we write 0. This is entries for the P and negation Q or R statement. We have to take disjunction between these two columns. For our convenience, we write or we denote this column by letter A and this last column by letter B. We have to write disjunction between A and B. So we have to prepare A or B. Again here is the disjunction. So we have to apply the rule for disjunction. In disjunction, if both the entries are 0, then only result is 0, otherwise 1. Both entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both entries are 0, so we write here 0. Both entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both entries are not 0, so we write 1. Both entries are 0, so we write 0. Both entries are 0, so we write 0. Both entries are 0, so we write 0. Both entries are not 0, so we write here 1. In this way, we can prepare truth table for the given switching circuit. See the last example. Observe this circuit. I disconnect it first. This switch S1 is in parallel combination with these two switches. So we write for S1 statement P, S1 dash and S2 dash. S1 dash means negation of P, S2 dash means negation of Q. These two switches are in series combination, so we write and this circuit is in parallel combination with switch S1, so we write here or this is circuit. It will be disconnected and then connected for the symbolic form. Now from the diagram, these two switches again are in series combination. For S1 we write P, for switch S2 we write Q. These switches are in series combination, so we write and this circuit is in parallel combination with this first circuit, so we have to write here or. Therefore, this is the symbolic form for the given switching circuit. तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल त्याला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका की जेणेकरून तुम्हाला याच्या पुढचे व्हिडिओज मिळून जातील. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 1.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. कंस्ट्रक्ट द स्विचिंग सर्किट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. In first question we have provided the symbolic form, we have given the switching circuit. From that we have to write in symbolic form. In this example we have given symbolic form. From that symbolic form we have to construct switching circuit. Now see the procedure. In first question we write P stands for, Q stands for, R stands for. In this also we have to write same. Directly I construct switching circuit. You write first what is mean by P statement, what is mean by Q statement, what is mean by R statement, negation P, negation Q, negation R. You know all that from first question. Now I directly construct switching circuit. See the first bracket, negation of P. Negation of P means S1 dash. Q means S2. Now these two are in conjunction form. That means these two switches are in series combination. So we have to construct first circuit for this first bracket. This is series combination for S1 dash and S2. Now see the second P is switch S1, negation R. This is switch S3, its complement because negation of R. These two switches are in series combination. These two switches are in series combination. Then between them there is this junction. That means these circuits are in parallel combination. Now connect this. This is the required switching circuit. You have to connect battery and lamp. This will be the complete circuit diagram. In this way you can construct switching circuit for the given symbolic form. What we have done here, first we construct switching circuits for the bracket. For first bracket this circuit we construct. For this second bracket we construct this circuit. Then between them there is this junction, so we connect them in parallel combination. In this way we construct switching circuit for the given. Now see the second example. P and Q or negation P and negation Q or P or R. Here we construct first bracket circuit. So simply write the symbolic form only. Then we denote after completing the circuits. Now this is first circuit. We have to construct second circuit for this second bracket. First we have to observe their combination. First bracket, second bracket, here is OR. That means second circuit is in parallel combination with this first circuit. So we construct it below to the first circuit. This is first circuit and we have to construct this second circuit. In second circuit negation P means this is first circuit, first switch. For this bracket here total number of switches are 3. 1, 2, 3. They are connected in parallel combination because here is OR. So we construct 3 switches like this. They are all in parallel combination. We denote this negation Q. So by S2 dash P means S1, R means S3. Now this circuit is in series combination with negation P. So connect this switch in series combination, denote negation P, that means S1 dash. This is circuit for this second bracket. Now we have to connect this second circuit with this first circuit in parallel combination. This is parallel combination. Now switch first is P, that means S1. Second switch is Q, that means S2. Now we have to connect here batteries. This is the circuit diagram for the given switching, which is given in symbolic form. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण आणखी इझी मेथडने कसं स्विचिंग सर्किट तयार करता येईल ते पाहू. इथे 3 ब्रॅकेट आहेत. आधी आपण 3 ब्रॅकेटसाठी सेपरेट सर्किट फॉर्म करू. P and R means we have to connect two switches in series combination. P R, that means first S1, second is S2. Second bracket pa negation Q and negation R, that means we have to take again series combination. Negation Q means S2 dash, negation R means S3 dash. Now prepare third circuit for third bracket. Negation P, negation P means S1 dash, negation R means S3 dash. These are the 3 circuits which we have to connect. Now see the relation between first 2 bracket. There is disjunction, that means these 2 switches must be in parallel combination. So this is first circuit, this is second circuit. This second circuit must be in parallel combination with this first circuit. That means we have to shift this circuit below this circuit or above this circuit. Now I take this second circuit here, which is in parallel combination. S2 dash, S3 dash. We have to connect these 2 switches in parallel combination. This is parallel combination. Now come to the third circuit. This third circuit is in series combination with these 2 circuits. So we have to connect this circuit is in series combination. S1 dash, S3 dash. This circuit we connected here. This circuit connected with these 2 circuits in series combination. So after connecting the battery and lamp, this will be our complete switching circuit. In this way we construct switching circuits from the given symbolic forms. राहिलेल्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठी स्वतः तुम्ही प्रयत्न करून पहा.